Hi, I'm Michelle Lorts, and I'd like to welcome you to our latest edition of Wednesdays at Lorts. As you know, we use these videos to keep in touch, highlight a particular item in our line, share information about us, as well as furniture and design. If you're new to us, Lorts is a residential and hospitality furniture manufacturer based in Goodyear, Arizona. We have a 150,000 square foot building filled with amazing craftsmen and women dedicated to making the best furniture in this country. We have a full line of amazing items made of solid alder wood, but we also have an incredible custom and engineering department dedicated to crafting an heirloom quality piece of furniture based on your specifications, your style, your choices. Our industry-leading finishes make a statement, as does our ability to make an outstanding, quality crafted piece of furniture that you or your customer would be proud to place in any setting. Today, I'd like to show you an item that is one of our absolute best sellers. This item is not only beautiful, but it's great for storage in any room. With its glass insert at the top, as well as its clean lines, our 1148 buffet would be at home in any transitional or modern setting. The amazing lines and the negative space created by the decorative legs almost makes it look like the center section is floating on air. You can find this piece in our online catalog with its dimensions as well as a few different views, including the inside configuration. As you will see in our catalog, the notations for this item remind you that you may use any finish on this piece. There's also a notation that lets you know that depending on your requests, this item may also qualify to be customizable. Size, distress, and sheen level, inside configuration, etc. As always, contact our customer service department and they'll be able to guide you through the process and answer any questions. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at our 1148 buffet. We hope to show you more items in the near future that will get your creativity going and remind you that Lorts should be your go-to when your goal is heirloom quality furniture, perfect for any setting. Visit us at our website or call us to find a Lorts dealer near you. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future episodes.